Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you my nitrogen dioxide fountain. Check this out. All I'm using in this investigation is 16 molar nitric acid, a 500 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask with a rubber stopper and flexible tubing, a 1000 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask, 1000 milliliters of distilled water, some food coloring, and a penny that's minted before 1982, so it's made of solid copper. The first step is to add distilled water to your Erlenmeyer flask. About 800 milliliters, and then add some food coloring to make it more visible as the water climbs up in the flexible tubing. The second step is to add about 50 milliliters of 16 molar nitric acid to your 500 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask. You don't need a lot. Okay, the next step is to add the penny to the 16 molar nitric acid. We'll fasten the rubber stopper on, and slowly it'll release nitrogen dioxide that will travel up into the tube, and when it reaches the water, it'll start to dissolve in the water, and that will reduce the pressure in this flask, while the atmospheric pressure on the water in this flask will cause the water to rise back into the tube and travel back into the beaker with the nitric acid, creating a nitrogen dioxide fountain. Check it out. Look, there's the water. It's starting to climb. And what's happening right now is the nitrogen dioxide is dissolving in the water to form nitric acid and nitrous acid. Here it comes. Look at that fountain. Isn't that amazing? Okay, so what's going on here? You started with nitrogen dioxide that was released from the nitric acid. That's the NO2, and that's that brown gas that you saw. And as it started to dissolve in the water, it created HNO2, that's nitric acid, and HNO3, that's nitrous acid. Well, as you might have guessed, that brown haze is caused by nitrogen oxides that is a byproduct of a lot of our factories, and the combination of sulfur dioxide and those nitrogen oxides mixes with water in our atmosphere and creates acid rain. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.